Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and I don't take too many supplements because I believe most of the nutrition you should get should be from the foods that you eat. But one of the few that I do take is vitamin E. Why? Because it's a primary antioxidant that protects fat-soluble vitamins and essential fatty acids in your cells from oxidative damage. Now, you can get vitamin E from certain foods, and wheat germ oil is one of the highest, but most other foods have relatively small amounts. So let me give you some tips. First, make sure it's natural and not synthetic. Synthetic vitamin E is derived from petrochemicals which have known toxic effects. Next, most vitamin E is also derived from soy, almost all of it. And soy is loaded with problems. 91% of the soy grown in the U.S. is genetically modified and contains the harmful herbicide glyphosate or Roundup, which has repeatedly been shown to have devastating reproductive and birth defects in animal studies. But even organic soy free of glyphosate contains phytoestrogens, which can create or contribute to hormonal or thyroid imbalances. So I recommend finding a vitamin E that's made from sunflower seed oil, which would eliminate any of these potential issues. The type of vitamin E that works best in your body is called the D form. Stay away from vitamin E mixtures indicated by DL on the label. Next, vitamin E is also called tokoferola, and there's actually a family of them. The most popular one is alpha tokoferola, and that's about 95% of the supplements sold out there. This is not what you want. Even though alpha tokoferola is likely the most important one, you want to make sure that you're taking a whole family of them, which would include alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. But it doesn't end there. There's another family of nutrients in vitamin E that work synergistically, and they are called tokotrienols. And most experts believe they should be taken together if you're going to be taking vitamin E supplements. Tokotrienols also come in a family, so again, take the entire family, alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Finally, most vitamin E capsules use a soft gel that is highly permeable to oxygen, and a far better alternative is something called a lye cap that actually helps prevent oxygen from coming in and damaging the vitamin E prematurely. So if you're considering taking a vitamin E supplement or currently taking one, make sure that yours is a high-quality supplement that meets the characteristics that I just mentioned. Otherwise, you actually may be causing yourself more harm than good in your efforts to take control of your health.